What it do, y'all? Today's another video I'm doing, and this is my most favorite, hands down, favorite YouTuber. And I love his videos. I watch the videos almost every single day and stuff. But I wish he'd say, hey. Yeah. And to support my Mickey World YouTube link. So, y'all, I'm going to get to the right end of the video. Thank you once again. Let go.
What it is, everybody? It's your boy Blasphemous HD. Now, a lot of you guys might not know this, but Randy smokes. And we are going to use that against him to set his face on fire. I'm kidding, but we are.
Oh, wait. So this is the one that I like to watch, and it's not my first time watching this. I'm sorry, but you're gonna get my real, true, honest reaction to this right here. But this is the one with Blasphemous pranks Randy with the cigarettes. I thought about using this trick on my husband, but I was like, nah, I ain't trying to catch him on fire. Yeah, we don't let it live, huh? Yeah. So I'm gonna get back to the video.
We're going to possibly explode his mouth a little bit, within reason, of course, using a prank that I like to call the exploding cigarette prank. Now, I know what a lot of you guys are saying, but Blasphemous HD, why are you in your drawers?
Nice.
All you need for this prank is a pack of cigarettes, whatever type of cigarettes they smoke, and party poppers. You get your cigarettes, and then you get your party popper. Alright, then you're gonna open up your party popper, dump all the excess crap out of it. I need a cameraman. God, Jesus. And you get this last little piece of cardboard out of there. It should be easy to get out of there when you have free use of your two hands, like I don't right now. This thing is the thing that makes it pop and or explode.
I look like a small size tampon. Oh, and I want to say, like, this is the uncut video. This is harsh video. So yeah, I say anything on the video. So I'll probably cut that out right there. But yeah, why I look like a small size of tampon for the little toys. Yeah, back to the video.
You're gonna want to cut off this string right here with a pair of scissors. Very easy, household pair of scissors, right? Then you're gonna take either a small pin or a small thumbtack, something like that, and clear yourself out some of the little tobacco on the inside of here. These cigarettes are already done, and they look delicious, just ready for your boy Randy to smoke. You can't even tell. Look at that. It looks like a real cigarette. Perfect. You know why you deserve this, Randy. Holla at your boy. Randy is on his way over. He thinks we's gonna kick it. Little does he know that I've got some free spare.
I ain't gonna lie. The word kick it and that's a long time I ain't heard it. I heard that since all the way in Virginia. And that's when I was like around 13, 10, 11. Something like that. So yeah.
Cigarettes for him, and you guys already know how hard it is for anyone to turn down the letter free. Let go.
For my ass, I don't turn down nothing for free unless it's something crazy. I'm like, nah. Okay.
You know, people, there's so many bad bitches up there, bro. Yeah, it's really not a good idea to be up there when you're in a fucking relationship and shit. Nah, dude. Hanging around a college when if you're in a relationship, nothing but bad bitches. Yeah, I like being in a relationship a lot freaking more, though, to tell you the truth. You know what I mean? Who's that? That was great. Oh, shit!
Bruh. He's like, who's that? Breathe. Pop. Ooh. Is Randy okay? Sounds so evil.
Did you lose an eye, man? Are you good? You dropped your fucking phone. No, this is for the vlog, man. I'm always recording for the vlog. Oh, shit. And now you're gay.
Face right now. Look, zoom in.
Oh, he's so serious. Look at his face. He's so serious that he can say he's gonna get his ass. As a, term.
What it is, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe for more pranks every single...
Wow. Y'all, it's too early for this, and I want to say thank y'all for watching my videos, and to subscribe to my boy. Hope we be friends. Blasma HD PhD. Bye. And to subscribe to his friend Randy Revenge. Thank y'all so much. Thank you, Mookie babies. And I hope to see y'all soon.